Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about surface area of a regular pyramid. So in the previous video we have seen the lateral area. I will use the eye icon here so you can watch it and you can understand how to find the lateral area of a regular pyramid. So in this one the formula is very simple. L is equal 1/2 times P. P is the perimeter of the base. So base is a square shape for this regular pyramid. The base is a square shape. If you cannot see this, let me move the figure so you can watch it. So as you can see, this shape is square. Now L is the slant height. So for this pyramid, the L is the slant height. So which will be, if you draw a perpendicular from the top like this is called a slant height, plus B, and this is the area of the base. So if the area is a square, then the area of a square is how much? Length multiply width, or you call it side by side. And for a square, length and width both are same. So if I gave you A as a side, then area will be A times A, because length is A, width is A, and this will give you A square. A times A is A square, and the perimeter will be 4 times A, because sum of all the side, A plus A plus A plus A, will be the perimeter, which is 4 times A. So you should know all this information. Perimeter is 4A and the area is A square for a square shape in a regular pyramid. Now let's try to solve some question. So this is the information before you start solving questions. Now let's say if this lateral height, let's say 6 meter, and this is 4 meter, the one side is 4 meter. So how will you find the surface area? So to find the surface area, let me use S as a symbol, okay? So not to confuse between lateral and surface area. So capital S is equal 1/2 times P times small l plus capital B. This is your surface area. Now 1/2 times perimeter is 4A. So A is 4 centimeter. So 4 times 4 will give you 16. So I will substitute here 16. Now slant height. Slant height is 6 meter. L is how much? 6 meter. Plus. Now area of a square. So B. Area of a square. Area of a square is A square. So that will be 4 square, and that is again 16. Now you just have to solve this, right? So 6 divided 2 is 3, and 16 times 3 is 48 plus 16, and that will give you 64 meter square. So this is how you will find the surface area of a regular pyramid. This is, we are talking about regular pyramid. If it is hexagon pyramid or pentagon pyramid, then the perimeter will be sum of side, and then you will have to find the area for that one. Okay, that will be a different type of question, but you can try them by yourself. Okay, how you will try those questions. Okay, so before I move on, I have one more question. Okay, so in this question again you have lateral height is given 8. Lateral, sorry, in this one, yep, lateral height is not given. In this one, if you see from top, this is to the center. Okay, this is not your lateral height or slant height. Slant height is this one, and this is not given, right? You can see this is, don't get confused, because if you draw a line from top, it should come here, then you call it slant height, but this line is in the center. Okay, if I just move this pyramid, if you see like this, okay, if I draw from the top, then it is going to the center. It is not Okay, that's it. Yes, so it is not a slant height. Okay, now let's try the question. Let me just perfectly adjust. Okay, yeah, almost. Okay, so now how we will solve this question. In this one, first we need to find the slant height. Okay, so this is making a triangle shape, and now in this triangle, if you see, this total length is 12, and this is at the center, in the middle. So half will be how much? 6. This is 8. Now using the Pythagorean theorem, you can find the slant height. 8 square plus 6 square, this will give you 10, right? So your slant height is 10 meter. And now this is very simple. Perimeter is 4 times A. 4 times the side is 12, right? So one side is 12, so 4 times 8, 48 meter. And now the area is A square, and that will be 12 square, so it will give you 144 meter square. Okay, now we just simply substitute in the formula. So S is equal 1/2 times perimeter is 48, slant height we find from this triangle is 10, plus B is 144 from here, and now you can just simply solve this, you will get your answer. Okay, so this is 48 divided 2 will give you 24. 24 times 10, 240 plus 144, and if you add them, 240 plus 100, 340 plus 44 will give you 384 meter square. So that's how you will find the surface area of a regular pyramid if the slant height is not given. So this is one of the type for the questions. Okay, you can try practice with more number of questions. Okay, and I hope you understood. If you did not, watch the video again and watch the previous videos to understand the concept better. Right, good luck.